How to move elevated laundry equipment with Airsled products. Pedestal bases can add style and function to a laundry room, but can also create challenges when servicing the equipment may be required. This video demonstrates how an Airsled appliance mover and an Airsled lift cart can be used to move elevated laundry equipment. The standard lift cart top is not deep enough to safely support laundry equipment resting on leveling feet. Airsled offers a larger top made from two pieces of HDPE that are secured to the frame with the lift cart's existing bolts. Use the lift cart's remote control to set the XL top to the pedestal height. Place the air beams directly under the laundry equipment. Engaging all four caster wheel brakes is recommended for safety. The Airsled appliance mover makes moving this heavy washing machine incredibly simple, easy, and safe. Remove the appliance mover components before unlocking the caster wheel brakes, lowering the laundry equipment, and rolling it away. Reverse the process to return the laundry equipment into position. Squeeze the two HDPE pieces together if the air beam gets caught on the seam. Return the equipment back into position with the Airsled appliance mover. Never worry about scratching or damaging the pedestal or laundry equipment when using Airsled solutions. Learn more at airsled.com.